2458 6th Avenue West, sitting in down by the sewer main in the middle of the street. Unable to get around this corner right here. There's a little bit of an offset that I keep running into right there. Can't jump it. I've tried a couple times, but it looks like right on the back side of there, it looks like there's a turn that goes into the main. So I'm assuming this is the main right there. I'm going to pull back from here. This is all 6-inch diameter concrete. You can see the erosion line on the bottom there. A little bit of a flat spot. Just build up. Alright, now we're in clay. There's the tie-in with the neighbor's shared line coming from the east. And then we pull back one more bell. Right here is our 4x6 transition. You can see how it comes down and it kind of just drops into the larger diameter pipe there. That's 6-inch, this is 4. So I am going to zero out my footage count, get a proper count of the 4-inch liner material needed. Back into concrete, 4-inch diameter. Just a tiny little stretch there, and then it comes back into PVC. This is where we would be excavating. 7 feet deep on the north side of the property. Alright, starting to see sand on the bottom of the screen there. Get that little bit of sand build up. Alright, now we're getting into the rocks. So this stretch right here is full rock. Looks like we have a tie-in on the right-hand side here. I believe this is for the floor drain. I'm going to pause the recording real quick. Alright, just located that spot, and it is indeed the floor drain, which is where we were going to excavate the other side of the project. It's 1 foot deep in the stairwell. This stretch right here seems like one of the worst for wear ones. Alright. Coming back to the lip into this PVC, we're looking at 45 feet of 4-inch. And then from here, this is the clean out.